In this WordPress tutorial video, I'll show how to make a WordPress menu custom link open up in a new tab. For example, here is a custom link which I have added to this WordPress menu called Google. When I click on it, this Google tab opens up in a new tab instead of this tab. Okay, so let me just show you how you can do that. So let's get started. Okay, so let me start from the very beginning over here. So you can see this is the WordPress menu, and I'm going to add a Google custom menu link over here. So the very first thing which I'm going to do is going to the back end of the WordPress website. Open up this dashboard over here. Okay, it's opening up. Okay, dashboard. Okay, we are in the back end of the WordPress website. The next thing we're going to do is go to appearance, then go to menus, right? So here is the menu over here. Okay. The next thing what you're going to do is go to custom link, and I'm going to add a link with a link text. I'm going to make it Google, and I'm going to make google.com. Go to google.com. So this is the custom link. I'm going to copy this URL, copy and paste this URL over here. I'm going to add this to menu Google. Okay, over here, I'm going to save this menu. Okay, great. And I'm going to refresh this page. You see the Google link is added, but when I click on it, you see it opens up the Google link in a new in the same tab. So but we don't want that. We want this Google link to open up in a new tab. So let me go back. Okay, so what are you going to do to make it open up in a new tab? What are you going to do? We're going to scroll at the very top over here, and you see at the top right corner there is a tab called screen options with a down arrow like this. Click on this, and over here you need to check this box, link target. Okay, then scroll down again and go to Google over here. Click on this, and you see now you get the option open link in a new tab. Check this option, and make sure to uh, save menu. Okay, great. Now go to this website, go to the front end of the website, refresh this page. Okay, now click on this Google tab link again. Now you see it opens up in a new tab. So this is how you add a custom menu link, custom menu with a custom link in a and make it open up in a new tab, just like the way I have shown over here. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.